In this video, I will show you how to check your AMEX credit card renewal date. It is important to know when your American Express credit card expires to avoid issues when making purchases. Fortunately, checking your renewal date is quick and easy. Retrieve your American Express credit card. Look at the front of the card for the expiration date. It will appear in the format like month and year. For example, 08/25 means August 2025. Your Amex card remains valid until the last day of the expiration month. If your credit card shows 08/25, it will be valid until August 31st, 2025. American Express cards typically expires every 3 to 5 years from the date of issue. Your new card is usually sent before the old one expires. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can quickly find out when your MX card expires. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.